With all the talk of inflation lately, you can certainly see how this is a feature of the real estate market here in Steamboat, and especially for the month of May. Too much money chasing too few goods. Let's take a look, shall we? Hi, this is John James with the James team at RE/MAX Partners, and we are starting a new month of Steamboat market updates. We're going into we're going to look into May of 2022 and the entire Routt County market. So as I said, let's get going. 27%. So that's how much over last year's sale price we saw in May for Routt County. And the prices might have more impact. 750,000 compared to last year's 590,000. So that's a big jump. And if we go back to the inflation analogy, consumer prices are 8.5% higher than they were last year. Our homes are at a median of 27%. And sales have been dropping, 25% off where we were in May of 2021. We went from 1,398 down to 1,048. And the sales volume took a hit because of it, 1,112 million and change, whereas last year it was just over 1.2 billion. That's a 7% decrease. Still over $1 billion changing hands in a month, but how long that will last when the inventory is so limited? And yes, it's limited inventory. New listings are down 21% from last year. We had 1,100 new listings hit the market when we had 1,396 added last May. And all listings are lasting a median of 7 days on the market. That's 56% off the 16 days we saw last year. And the total supply of homes currently on the market would last all of 1.4 months. In May of 2021, we had 3 months of inventory, so the differential is roughly about 53%. And the rolling average of active listings on the market for the 31 days of May was 145. It's 48% off year over year. Now, the median sales to list price ratio continues to hover at 100%, meaning that that's the midpoint between over and under list price sales. It's right there. But the average is at 100.3%, meaning those over list price are higher than list price than those that are under. That's no surprise, too, that 520 a square foot is well over last year's 390. And something I've been keeping an eye on lately are price reductions, and we saw those increase from 33 to 34. That's not a big change, but it is indicative of the summer selling season where we see more homes that have been sitting get the price adjustment they need to sell. And swirling the magic 8 ball for whether sales for June will be higher, outlook not so good. Pending sales have decreased 30% to 1,027. And that right there tells me enough to know that sales will drop even more. We'll be looking at different price segments, types of homes, and areas, and the spoiler alert is that this market update is very representative of what's happening in all of those segments. In fact, only one segment saw new listings increase year over year. Which one? Well, you'll have to tune in to find out. In the meantime, 970-846-0797 is my number. John James at jamesteamsteamboat.com is my email address. You can always leave a comment on the video in the comment section after you have liked, subscribed, or shared this video. Until next time, take care.